Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and if you're a mom of young kids, you have to get yourself some of these plates by Ushine. These are their set of 4 dinner sets, and they are the perfect plate. I like having Unbreakable Dishes because I like to have my kids help out in the kitchen, and this makes it possible. I'm not worried about them shattering and having sharp things fly everywhere. Let me show you. These do not bend, they're not floppy. And what I like about them, they're microwave, dishwasher safe. So that is really awesome. A lot of other Unbreakable Dishes are not. It comes in these 4 adorable colors, 4 sets of forks, 4 spoons, 4 knives, 4 cups, and these cups are nice and solid. They are not flimsy at all, and I love the size. These are the perfect size bowls because I feel like they can fit enough cereal without spilling, and they have a very flat bottom base. If you are looking for Unbreakable Dishes, these are the ones. Get these. I love these. And that's my point of view.